Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Friday, October 13th, 2023. Before I click on the charts, just please click like, share, subscribe to Wicked Stocks YouTube channel, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos, just like the daily Tesla report, daily analysis in the SPY and the Triple Q, weekly analysis in the S&P 500 index, the NASDAQ 100 index, the long bond ETF, the TLT, as well as 2 individual stock picks every week that you never see on YouTube that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near-term investor. Just this week, we put out stock picks on Elevance and it escapes me. I forget, a little rushed here. I'm going to jump right to it. Check out wickedstocks.com. You can check out everything that we provide for free for 5 days. We offer a 5-day free trial up front, so you can see all of our recent stock picks, 2 a week that you never see on YouTube. On with the charts, talk the big picture, work our way into the day itself. A few months ago, we came off this channel top that is well above the market now at 325.09, then mentioning you should allow for channel support over the following month or two, which took about 6 weeks. We've tested this a few times over the last month and a half. 241.37 is our base of long-term support, and above which 293.79 remains a 3 to 5 week target, despite the fact I've been saying that for about 3 weeks now. It remains a 3 to 5 week objective, able to contain buying on a weekly, possibly monthly basis, and the 343.79 formation remains a 3 to 5 month target above 241.37. If or when we close above 293.79, we should see 343.79 within just another month or two. So that is the big picture. And were we to close today below 241.37, and I don't see that happening, but if so, it wouldn't need to be by a 1% margin. In other words, a settlement today, Friday, the week itself, at 238.95 or lower would signal the mid to lower 190s within a month or two, where we could bottom out on a quarterly basis, possibly well into next year. But no sense in covering that in detail, because that's not going to happen today. So we're going to take a look at the daily support level first and foremost, because we're very close to it. 255.82, able to contain session weakness. This just might contain selling through next week. But I'm going to keep it pretty light here, allow this market to breathe, so to speak. But just know I'm confident with the daily containment, and it may well contain selling through next week. From here, from there, testing 255.82, the channel top at 275.89, in reach within 3 to 5 days. And that is still the 3 to 5 day dynamic. Now to the upside today, all these minor points are carefully chosen. 59.13 you can see right here as an inside channel structure. 61.33 is an upside 3/8 over the last few days. I go through all of these. 269.07 is the most significant, though, of all of them, and I came close to calling that a session containment level, and you may consider it to be a session containment level. So I'm talking to day traders here, where we could top out here for the day. I'm not crazy about selling this level, though, on a 3 to 5 day basis, and that's why I keep it reduced to an intraday resistance level only. If we have a significant rally today and push through 269.07 today, we just might reach 275.89 on an intraday basis. We've seen those days in the past. I'm not anticipating one today. I'll just go back to this structure here. 255.82 is a solid support level. We are near it. I have no interest in playing the short side in Tesla through next week unless we close below 255.82. Until then, it is bottom picking 255.82 for the day itself and for the next 3 to 5 days, because above which, or once tested, as I say, 275.89 in reach within 3 to 5 days, where we can top out on a daily basis, possibly through the balance of next week. It would be a settlement above 275.89, and I don't expect to see that today, of course, but if over the next few days we do close above this structure, we're just another week away from reaching that targeted 297.32 channel top, which on the weekly chart is 293.79. That area able to contain at least weekly, quite possibly monthly buying pressures if or when tested. That pretty much covers the upside. Let's talk downside. That if we do, If we break 255.82, 247.71 is in reach today. And if we close today below 255.82, no good reason to be long Tesla into next week. If your time horizon is 3 to 5 days, 3 to 5 day swing traders can hold a position short over the weekend if we settle below 255.82. Then anticipating 241.37 by the end of next week or sooner. That could be just a 2 to 3 day move. We could actually test 241.37 by the middle of next week if we settle today below 255.82. That 241.37 level, once again, long-term channel support, able to absorb selling on a weekly basis, monthly basis, and quite possibly through the rest of the year, and above which these upper price points remain mid to longer term objectives. Trying to think if there's anything else that needs to be said, and I don't really think there is. I'm going to leave it at that for Friday's Tesla. Please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com. We offer a 5-day free trial. You can see everything we do, all of our recent stock picks for no cost whatsoever. If you don't like what you see, you can bow out within 5 days at no cost to you whatsoever. I think that's about it. I'll be back Sunday afternoon, of course, with Monday's Tesla. You have a great weekend.